Hey guys, this is our math for today. Find the missing addend. Well, first let's listen and talk about what an addend is. An addend is a part of a addition problem. Let me move this over just a little bit. An addend is one of the two numbers that you add together. Well, we have a missing one here, and we have to figure out how we find that missing number. And the simplest way to do that is subtract. We're going to kind of work backwards, if you will. Remember, when you're subtracting, the biggest number should be on top. Well, the only two numbers I have for this problem is 72 and 15. So let's subtract 72 minus 15. Now notice, I put this long way because I want you to see them both ways. And I'm going to have to get a darker item to write with because that pencil isn't doing it. Get my trusty purple flare pen. 72, and I want you to see where I got that number from. Minus 15. Because that will help us find the difference of what this is. So I wrote it long way. But guess what you can do if you see one of those problems? You can take that bigger number and you can turn it this way. And this is mostly what you're used to seeing. But you're going to start seeing things like this more and more often. So I want you to get used to it. Well, this is a problem where I cannot subtract 5 from 2. So I'm going to have to borrow or regroup. So I'm going to borrow one whole 10. Now I only have 6 tens, and I'm going to put this one. 10 plus 2 is 12. Now I have 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ooh, that's a lot of numbers. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yep, I got 12. Now I have to subtract 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I always double check. Now then, how many do we have left? So we took all that out. All that's gone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7. So that means I would put 7 where the 7 is the missing addend. How do we know? Well, we don't for sure. So you have to check it. Ooh. Can you see that? That's a big old 7, but it's a 7. My markers. I'm fixing to get me some new markers. Okay. Well, we have to check. So we're going to add up. We're going to add my two addends. Remember, this was the answer. So I'm going to add these two and find out. 15 plus 7. So there's 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Does that look right? Then we did something wrong. Oh no. What did we do wrong? Oh, I see. We forgot to subtract the tens place. So, if these two don't add up to 72, then you know you've done something wrong in your subtraction. So let's go back over here and fix this. 6 minus 1 is 5. Oh, that should be 57, not 7. So now we have 5, 6, 7. I'm going to scratch that one out. 72. So that means we are correct. So now we can fix this over here. I don't know if this will write on here. 57. Yay! So see, you have to be thinking and looking all the time to be a good little mathematician. Ouch. 72 minus 15. And remember, when I did the ones column, I quit. I forgot to go over and do this. 6 minus 1 is 5. And then, now I can add these two. Let's do one more till we can remember what to do. Let's do... Oh my goodness, I wish you were here to just tell me. Let's do this one. Oh, let's do number 4. Let's do number 4 because the addend's on this side. And guess what? It doesn't matter. Okay, so let's do that. Remember, to find this one, we have to subtract these two. Bigger number on top when you're subtracting. It makes it a whole lot easier. And you won't get it right if you do it the other way. 54 minus 25. And remember, we could have written it like this. Okay? So we're subtracting. Uh-oh, can I subtract 5 from 4? No, because 5 is bigger. I have to borrow. I'm borrowing 1 whole 10, which make so I took 1 away. Now we have 4, and I'm adding it over here. So, and maybe this would help you more. I added a whole 10, and plus I have this 4, which makes it 14. So, now let's subtract 5 from 14. And I could do all these if I wanted to. Go all the way to 14 and subtract 5. That's what I want you to do. But for time purposes, I'm going to move on here. That would be a 9. Now 4, I'm not going to forget this time. 4 minus 2, or 2 subtracted from 4, is 2. Now remember, I take the two bottom numbers and I'm going to check my work. 29 plus 25, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 4, 5. Does that equal 54? It sure does. So what goes here? 29. And remember, guys, you can watch this video as many times as you want. And I hope that truly helped. Bye-bye.